Hello and welcome to another video from Beekeeping UK. Now today you join me in a slightly different environment as we're here in the workshop, and that's all because we're going to be making a National Super Frame. I'm going to be going through step by step where you should put the nails and how it all goes. So let's start off that there's no paid endorsement throughout this video, although I will tell you all the frames are from Maysmore Apiaries, which we got in the sale and we collected over in the Bee Trade exhibition. So I'm going to be taking you onto the desk and I'll be showing you how to do it now, step by step. If you haven't already subscribed, then I do recommend you subscribe, because this channel is great for the beginner beekeeper who doesn't want to spend too much money. More videos are to come, and I've also done a few videos in the past. Now, as you can imagine, making frames is vital for the beekeeper, because without frames you're not going to get a hive together. And as you buy new supers, you're going to have to make new frames as well. So we're going to go through every single part of the frame, and I'm going to be telling you a bit about all this stuff. So all this stuff is from Maysmore, and we get seconds. So you have first quality, and then you have second quality. Now the difference is, second quality has knots in it. Now we do have seconds because the price points are very different, and once you have a large amount of hives you're definitely not going to want to buy all first quality, when most of the time second quality is okay. Now and again it's a bit of a struggle to put the wax foundation in, and sometimes the knots snap, but once you're changing your frames very frequently, it's not too much of a problem. Okay, so we're going to run through the different parts of the frame now. So this here is the top bar. Now I've got a ready made up frame just so you can see. This is what we aim to get by the end. So next you have the side bars. Now this is what the side bars look like. So these is two different types. So the side bars on this one, as you can see, are self-spacing, so it has this kind of bump which space it out. With these, they don't. As you can see, perfectly flat right the way down. But what I would say is we are switching all to these with castellations. If you don't have castellations, you are going to have spacers. Now, I don't personally like spacers, just because they do wreck them. Now this is a brand new one, and that will be wrecked. Now with the spacers you have to slot it onto the edge here. So there you go. So as you can see it lines up with that, which is what is going to be needed once we finish this frame. So now we have our two ends. All we're going to need is the top bar, or bottom bar. Right, so I'm eager to get started, so I'm going to be showing you step by step. Right, so we're going to slot this in. Now these here, that's going to have to face inwards, so you can put the wax in. And on the other side, turn it round. Whack it into place. Now, So there's slightly different ways to do it. The way that we're going to do it, which I find easiest and most effective, I'm going to put one straight into there, one straight in there, one straight in there, one straight into the top there. Now, if you do get these, which aren't self-spacing, they're a lot easier to nail. Here, you would nail that side, and then you'd have to nail there, which can also, it can be tricky because it can come up the top there if you don't get it on the best of angles, just like what's happened here. And you don't want to get caught there, so that's going to have to get pushed out. Okay, so camera went off, so I quickly nailed all of these in. Now I'm going to show you the next part. So we're going to have to put the bottom bar on. Now you're going to want to do it, you're going to want to cut this off. There you go, nice and easy. And that's going to go on top here. Square it. There you go. Yep. Work it down a bit. Now, people put it in this way, straight in through the top of the bottom bar, or they go in that way. Now, I'm just going to go straight in that way because that's what I've been taught, and it's also easier. Now, that is exactly what we wanted there. Now, we haven't put wax foundation in yet, and I'm not going to be doing it in the video, but I'll show you what to do. So, a wax foundation slides in nicely there. This is going to put right on top there, and you're going to nail it back in with the foundation in there. Then you're going to have to get another one of these, and you're going to put it on the top there. Do the same as what we did on this, nail it straight in each end, and you've got yourself a frame. Now, you're probably going to need quite a few of those. So you're probably going to get used to that, and it'll be quite easy but at the end of the day. Now, I'd like to thank you for watching my video. I hope that you check out some of my other videos that have been posted onto the channel, and there's many more videos to come, so please subscribe. I'd be very grateful.